Welcome to Bikini Now. What's up, bros? Yeah, look at this beach, dude. Like, there is so much sand on this beach. Wow, it is at the perfect time of day. Look at the sun just reflecting on that sand, bro. Holy crap, dude. Like, wow. That sand is really nice, and that house up there with that big staircase. Wow, bro. Oh, wow. It is huge, dude. Oh my god. Just sand everywhere, dude. This beach is really cool. Look at those rocks. There's a big rock right on the beach. Yeah, over there on your right. You should be looking at that staircase right there. Oh my god, and that wall of rock. Oh my god, dude. Dude, like, isn't that the coolest rock wall ever? That is a cool looking rock wall. My god. Wow. Yep, just that is something else. Wow. And these people are having a really good time on this beach, dude. Like, there's a lot of people having a lot of fun on that beach. Look at these dudes. They're hitting that ball. They're having a blast. Look at them. They're having a blast. Look at them have a blast. So much of a blast right now. They're blasting, bro. They're getting that guy got blasted in the face. No way. Oh, man. Oh, and that girl almost got blasted in the face, too. Oh, wow. No way. Oh, and just look at that sand. Are you looking at that sand? Don't you dare look at anything else. Wow. That sand is super soft, man. Let me tell you all about it. Let me tell you all about that soft sand. It's fine and delicate. The most delicate sand you have ever touched in your life. If you are so fortunate to touch that golden sand. Now look at that guy laying his body all over that golden sand. He loves that golden sand. He is in love with that sand. Oh yeah. These people are just going at it. They're going at it, bro. Do you think they're even keeping score? Probably not. Anyways, just taking all that ambience. That wave. Gently caressing your ear holes. Putting you into a nice deep state of relaxation. Just close your eyes. Don't look at anything on the screen. Just taking all that ambience. Now, I think it's a safe call for me to shut the F up for just a minute. Let you enjoy deeply in your being this beautiful ambience. Alright. Alright, did you get enough of that ambiance, dude? Alright, I think I need to start talking again because I need to show you some stuff that you should be looking at right now. Like that sand and that cave thing back there. That is a big cave. A lot of people can relax their bodies in the mouth of that cave. All over that golden sand inside that cave. Wow. Just look at these people having a blast. They're loving it. They can really hit that ball. They can hit that ball real hard. Oh, and she just got blasted by that dude. I'm sure it won't be the last time. Now hit that sub button. Do it. Do it, dude. Right now, please.